is the Mac Daddy from Hunter Specialties and Carlton Calls. When we developed this call several years ago, we had a lot of people that struggled using a conventional diaphragm in their mouth. So what we did is we put a single reed diaphragm and we put it externally. So much like you would blow a diaphragm call in your mouth by pressing up with your tongue for the high notes, letting off for the low notes, that's how you use this lever. As I depress this for the high notes, let off for the low notes, but it's all externally. So the consistency is unmatched. So simple bugle, I just hold the call down horizontally and I'm just taking air volume. The more air volume I blow through the call, the higher the note. Less air volume, the lower the note. So to bugle, notice I don't have to waver this lever a whole lot. I just hold it down horizontally and just sheerly blow the air volume through it. Now to chuckle on the call, all I'm doing or grunt, I'm just kind of just pumping the reed and going wah, wah, wah. Put them all together. If you remove this call from the grunt tube, it's now a cow call. Just depress the reed for the high notes, let off for the low notes. Very easy call to use. The Mac Daddy from Hunter Specialties and Carlton Calls. This is the Rowdy bugle from Hunter Specialties and Carlton Calls. Very simple bugle to use. It's just built off the principle of a single reed diaphragm internally. So I just use my lip and rest it on this shelf. As you depress your lip onto the latex, as by blowing a little bit harder, you achieve those higher notes, letting off for the lower notes. Very easy call to use. Simple bugle. If you want to chuckle on it, all I'm doing is short bursts of air to get that wah, wah, wah. So it's put it together with a bugle and the chuckles. So the reeds can be removed. They're going to wear out and we make replacement reeds. Just a single reed diaphragm slides in the top side like so. Pop it back in the cap. This is our Rowdy bugle from Hunter Specialties and Carlton Calls.
Primos hunting. Speak the language.